Okay, I'm gonna cut up 3 onions. And you know what? I normally just shave them down, but we're supposed to make these real thin for haystacks or shoestrings, whatever you want to call it. So Gigi gives me this. She goes, use this, it'll work great. I guess it'll fit. She goes, but don't cut yourself. It's sharp. So, you know what'll happen, don't you? Nah, hopefully not. Yeah. Getting this outside off there. We'll be back in a minute. Alright. I don't know how you do it. I'm just going to do it like this. Let's look at our mess. Oh yeah! Look at that! Check that out! That's what we're looking for. Haystacks. This is awesome. I still like doing it myself though. Oh, I see what she's talking about. All of a sudden it's going to get down to the nitty gritty. I got it. I understand you, Gigi. I gotta tell you one more thing about haystacks. When you're making a haystack, you do not want a circle. Slice that sucker. There's what you want. That's a haystack. Yeah. It's a real easy ingredient to batter it up. I cannot wait to put that on my hamburger. I'm gonna tell you one more thing about this thing. This thing is so cool. And it has cheese graters and different things. You slide them out and switch them around. That is really kind of cool. I love this. Down in the links down below, I'm gonna just put slicer link or something like that, and it'll go right to it. I have no idea how much this is. This cannot be expensive, but it's really cool. Look at that. And then I'll take it like this. Cut that sucker right there. I do not use the center part. And look at that. It just comes apart. And you just pull them all apart. You probably can't. Yeah, you can see that. I just pull them apart. There's my strings. Okay, now's the point. Look at that. Now's the point that I'm going to be breading this up. So I got the flour here. I got an egg and some milk right here. And Booger taught me February. You go flour, egg, batter. I don't have any batter. Maybe that's my batter. Because I'm trying it this way. So flour, egg, batter. February. Thank you, Booger. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to take some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. You got to put your little seasoning of something in there. Get that in there. See if you can see that. I'm working in the dark, people. Oh, yeah, don't do this over fire. Alright, that may not have been enough. I don't know. We got this little baby in here. This is my little trial. We're at 348. That's my little tester right there. What's going to happen now, you can't see my basket. I'm going to bring my basket up. Whew. We're going to bread some of these. Put them in there. I'll change the camera and get the shot going down in there. I don't do the wet dry hand, I don't think. Alright, so we're going to take a bunch of these. Put them in that flour. You know what I'm doing. Oh yeah. We're going to get them over here. Let's get them all in there. Maybe I did too many. We don't fry a lot around here. Used to. Used to have catfish fries and people over all the time. Not no more. Someone told me that wasn't healthy, all that fried food. Alright, so now we're going to come back over here. Oh, wet hand, dry hand. Sorry. Yeah, they're all going to stick together. It's going to be awesomeness. I don't know how much good y'all can see. We're going to take that right there. Yeah. Alright, we're going to do that a couple times. And I'll be back and I'll show you when we deep fry it. Alright, y'all. Check it out. Woo! A little hot. Right, here we go. Here she goes. Ha 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 ha. Woo! A little Uncle Steve shake on. There we go. Look at that. Got my songbirds. I feed them nicely. Look at that skin. Haystacks. Gotta love them. Oh, that's looking awesome. Guess I'll just show you this one. I've still got 2 more loads to do. Oh. You see some of these haystacks? Look at that. And then you put whatever dip you want on it. Tell you what, if you want me to, I'll show you how to fry green beans. Yeah, shh, you're not too loud. I wish you'd come over here. That's looking awesome. This little bundle right there. Hope you make these little haystacks. Papa, what are you going to dip it in? I think I want to do that ranch and sriracha mix to make some spicy ranch. If you like good cook, I already mentioned Booger 500 US, and Booger's the one that teaches you February, flour, egg, batter. Alright, let's just call that done. Look at that! Y'all see that? There you go. Look at that. I'm going to finish these other 2. Next thing you're going to see is you're going to see me plate it up, and you're going to see my burger I'm going to make. A Smashburger. Check these out. This is batch 1, batch 3, batch 2. Look at that. Batch 2 is the one that's all apart. Look at that. Oh, my camera's upside down. Look at that. Check this part out. Look at those babies. Woo. My third one did my second fry did the best. I did a little different so they didn't stick together. Oh. Smash that on there. And then some people are going to say I ruined it, but oh crap. Get some ranch on there. Get me a little mustard. There she be. Look at that. Alright, let's take a bite of it. Check that burger out. That's Papa Texas Smashburger. Oh my. You've got to try this. Uncle Steve's Gator Shake is so awesome, and hamburgers. Jay Landa's press that he makes is so awesome. And like I've told you earlier, he's got a new one out with an excellent handle on it that's a very different kind. It's really cool. Check him out on Instagram down below. It'll be Uncle Steve. Who all did I mention? Hang on. Oh my goodness. Uncle Steve Shake. Jay Landa 1217 on Instagram. Booger 500 US. Get you some of that. Oh my goodness. Subscribe for more videos, Papa. I got cooking videos. Hit that bell and you'll be notified if you're subscribed to me when I put another entertaining video out. Y'all stay safe, stay healthy, stay apart. It's Papa. Papa Texas. See ya. Oh. I think a nap's gonna come. Party's over. See y'all.